Hi guys, I hope that you had a really profitable session today. It had given a good range breakout, and we have seen that after consolidating, usually Bank Nifty tends to get really volatile, and that's what I had also mentioned in the live stream, that any side, if it gives a breakout or a breakdown, it will fall very badly, and you have seen that it has fallen from 36,100 to exactly this point, which is 35,900. Although the movement was not a huge rally towards the downside, but still I guess you could have captured 100 points in a put option, in the money put option, easily. Okay, anyways, coming on to tomorrow, and even in Nifty guys, Nifty did try to break all-time high, but again we have seen a selling, and it's just trying to take a support exactly somewhere at this point. But I have also noticed that Nifty has a gap. Okay guys, so this is something which you have to be careful about. This is the gap from 16,148. Let me just draw it. 16,148 to 16,179. Okay, this gap would be extremely dangerous, and I feel that if it comes below this point, there can be a selling also in Nifty. Okay, but first of all, let us come to Bank Nifty for tomorrow. Since we have closed the negative scenario, still overall, if you look at the trend, it's still going in a positive trend, and it's trying to consolidate over here. So tomorrow in the morning, if it crosses, if it opens with a gap up, provided that the sentiments are positive, if it opens with a gap up and it opens somewhere at around this level, you can take up the buy at this point, which is 36,151. Okay, always make sure that whenever you are taking the buy or sell in Bank Nifty, you're doing a top-down analysis. That is, you're doing an analysis of the overall market scenario, the news, what are they saying in the news, and also what is the sentiment of the buyers and the sellers, whether they want to pump or dump the market. Tomorrow is Wednesday, so I'm expecting a pump tomorrow and then a dump on Thursday, but let's see what happens. Okay, clear buy above this level, 36,150, and you can also think about getting into a buy position after it crosses this point, 36,111, and your sell, if I show you, the selling point would be below this swing, okay, that it has made today, which is 35,902. Okay, so this is the main conditions for Bank Nifty. And again, if I show you something very interesting happening in Nifty and Bank Nifty, is that whenever it takes a tends to take a dip, it goes up. It dips, it goes up. And today I told you not to buy over here. I know many people have bought over here, and I think they had exerted at a loss. So anyways, whenever it takes a dip, oh sorry, this was not today's thing. I told you not to buy it over here. Okay, so this was yesterday when I told not to buy over there, and I had also mentioned the same in the Telegram group, but people still bought, and then it went down. It takes a dip, it goes up. So this is the trend which is going on in Bank Nifty. Whenever it's taking a dip, it's going up. Okay, so I would say buy on dips would be the scenario, unless there's something really negative in the market. Okay, so just give me one moment. This is the scenario for Bank Nifty. Again, when you're not sure of how the market would be operating, make sure to operate with two lots or perhaps one lot, just for practicing. Okay, and coming on to Nifty next. Nifty, it's very clear that we would get a buy again at this point. Okay, Nifty again tried to touch all-time high, and I think it did, but it did not sustain. So 16,354, if it breaks this time, I feel that Nifty will go up, and this time I don't think that anyone can stop, because it had already tested this level two times, and third time if it tests this level, I think we can get a good break in Nifty. So buy Nifty above 16,354, not at any other level. Okay, a clear sell would be below this point, which is 16,179. Okay, and while I was streaming, I could not respond to all of your messages. So one person had asked me about zeal. Okay, if I show you zeal, guys, zeal is at a very interesting level, but still I would recommend to wait for this level, this particular level, because if I show you, this is the level where it takes the bounce. Okay, the majority of the bounce is happening at this point three times. Now if it comes and if it makes a bullish candle over here, then only you can go for the buy in zeal. Okay, and let me show you the Fibonacci. It's also at a very interesting stage. So I'm taking the swing high and the swing low for zeal. Okay, the swing low would be till exactly this point. Okay, so now you can see that it is somewhere around at the 50% retracement, but it's trying to break it. So I would recommend you can wait for this level, guys, exactly at the 38% retracement. It can take a bounce, and that's where it has taken the majority of the bounces. And I think that the buyers can come in over here, but only buy it provided that the market sentiments are positive and it makes a green candle. Okay, so this is the important point. Let me again tell you, 172 you can go for a buy in Z. Previously we have analyzed the stock and IOC is in a selling zone right now, so I would not recommend you to buy the stock anywhere. If I show you sorry, this is the hourly time frame. You can see that it had broken out from this point, and it's still not in a buy zone. Okay, so let it come down. It can come down even to these levels, which is 93 levels, and then you may think of a buy in IOC. Then we had analyzed the stock deeper nitrite. I told you clearly that whenever it comes towards the trend line, to this trend line, then you can take up a buy. Otherwise don't take up a buy, because I had drawn it in the hourly time frame, I believe. So yes, you can take up a buy only if it comes down to this point. Okay, this is the point. You can take up a buy. Let me be a bit more accurate for you. Okay, this is one of the point where buy can occur, and the next point would be this. Okay, so you have to be patient and let it come down. It did bounce today at this level, that is 2099. Let's see what happens tomorrow. Okay guys, this is the point where it can take a support. And SBIN, guys, I don't think that you should participate in all of the all of the whenever the price comes at a support, you should participate in the buy, because I still feel that this is not in a range of buying. Although someone could have bought over here and he could have made a good amount of profit, because you can see it has taken a number of support over that point. But tomorrow if it comes up again, it did not close above this point. If it comes up above this point, which is 426, then you can take up a buy in SBI. Okay, so I hope that everything is clear regarding tomorrow's market. Well, I thought just to analyze the market right away after the market hours for you guys, so that you can also do your own analysis and check whether it is in confluence with mine. Okay, so if you liked it, definitely give it a like and subscribe, and please join in the Telegram group, whoever is new to the channel, because I share my analysis every day along with my trades. And today, yes, my SL did get hit, and you can check that in my Telegram group, which is there in the description. Okay, alright guys, so yeah, and one more thing, I never try to hide my losses or my profit. So whatever happens, I share it in the Telegram group. Okay, after hitting that SL, I did not take in any trade, and I had clearly mentioned that my SL got hit, and I did not expect today Bank Nifty to go up, because the sentiment were not that bullish. Okay, so yeah, I hope that you have liked this video, and I'll meet you tomorrow in the morning. Bye.